Hello and welcome back to our channel, How to Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your newsfeed on LinkedIn. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your LinkedIn application. From there, you can see your newsfeed. Or else, click to Home button from the bottom left corner. Then, your newsfeed will appear in your screen. LinkedIn's algorithm personalizes your feed based on your activity, connection, and interest. It includes a mixed content like posts from your connections and companies you follow, articles shared by your network, industries update, and news relevant to your profile and interest. This is how you can check or access newsfeed on LinkedIn. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.